a giant, like, mountain, literally. It's been, like, brewing under my skin for, like, the last week, and it just keeps getting bigger, and I keep touching it and pushing it and messing with it, especially yesterday, and now it's getting sore, and it's just, like, today it's just, like, bright red.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have my sister here with me. This is my older sister, and I'm gonna be turning her into me. So we have kind of different styles. I'm gonna do her makeup exactly how I'm wearing mine, her outfit, her hair, everything like that. I'm even gonna do her nails because I do my own like acrylic nails at home. I have a video on that if you guys wanna check it out. I'll leave it linked down below. But yeah, because she doesn't really do fake nails, so I'm gonna do them on her, and that will be at the end. But I'm gonna start on her makeup, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Before we do, subscribe it down below if you're new, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And my Instagram and Twitter are linked in the description box, as well as Maria's. That's her name, Maria, if I didn't mention. And we'll just go ahead and get started.
That same video that we were watching earlier that I was talking about, the girl was like, your brush is so scratchy and you're being so rough, and she was like, well, I want to get this done, I'm hungry. Or I want food or something.
The girl that was
doing her makeup, yeah. It's like, why would you film a video like this when you're hungry? I just ate.
My stomach is literally growling right now.
Wow. I couldn't do much the last couple days. I was on my couch. Because my back was hurt, not because I'm super lazy.
I was on my couch. I couldn't do much. And regardless of what the reviews say about some of the palettes, I guarantee they can't deny that this is the best black eyeshadow on planet Earth, and I don't even use any of the others anymore. I'm pretty sure I took this palette to do that wedding just so I had this black eyeshadow.
Yeah, see, Jaclyn Hill's already come out with great products before, so all you haters, just chill out. She already made great stuff.
Oh my gosh, now we're gonna get hate on this video.
Haters gonna hate, but whatever.
I wanna get up again. Such a process. Look at that yellow makeup bag. Thank you.
Where do I get all of my makeup bags? Ipsy? I actually have 19. Oh, Tabitha, I might have to curl my own eyelashes, dang.
No, it's very simple. I've done this to many people.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
It's fine, it's fine. It's not anything intense, Maria. Just calm down.
Oh my god, I feel like... I don't know if I can do that.
Okay, let's do foundation. I'm gonna use her foundation, so it's not gonna be the exact same as mine because we have different, she's like tanner than me. So,
What foundation
I forgot about, this is the primer I use. And I will usually mix in my Lumi lotion, that's what I did today. Okay, I wear a lot of blush, so I'm gonna put a decent amount of blush on you because that's what I do. And blush fades fast. I knew that was gonna happen. Okay, what I did is I put this cream highlight on, which I'm actually really liking, and then I put the Becca Champagne Pop on top of it. Okay, I put this white eyeliner on, and then I didn't do anything to my lower lash line. Like I didn't put mascara. And you do your eyebrows and your lips and now for the fun part. She's gonna go change. And I picked out an outfit so that we could kind of wear like similar outfits, something that she wouldn't like normally wear. So I'll be right back. Okay, let's stand up and show them our outfits. We're eating cheese and crackers because we're starving to death and I was having hunger cramps.
It's so good.
She doesn't usually wear like high-waisted like mom jean or mom short style. And I have these white like graphic t-shirts too that I usually wear all the time. Very, very similar, different from her style. But now we're gonna do the hair. This is super easy because this is like one of my go-to looks is to do like this sleek, low, like ponytail or bun. Like I do a ponytail sometimes now that I have short hair, but just like part my hair in the middle or like a little bit to the side.
And I usually wear my hair more in like a high ponytail.
Change your earrings. Change your earrings. I have these little hoops that I wear a lot. I love wearing hoops like this. And it's a little different for her, so.
I like this style more now than I used to, but I hardcore resisted 90s style when it started coming back because
this
I just thought it was the grossest thing ever.
Like this. I thought maybe you were going to hate it, but you actually look really cute with this style.
I don't know. I think if you don't know us super well, we look really alike.
I think it's just because we have the same makeup and outfits on, Maria. Okay. Whoa. I just kicked it and then it knocked all the chewy stuff over. Okay, so this is where we're at so far. Pretty much completely done. We did her hair like mine. Hopefully you guys can tell on camera. And we're matching earrings kind of. And we already both have our noses pierced and we both have gold rings. So that kind of worked out. But I'm going to do her nails. Show them your nails. Because I have like fake nails on and she just doesn't have them painted or anything.
Really bad right now.
So we're going to do them and then we'll show you guys that at the end. But this is basically the finished look. We should try to do a little thumbnail. Okay guys, so it took forever, but we did her nails. Just show them like this. We painted them a different color because mine are like a more pinky purpley color and we painted hers like a nude.
They're beautiful.
But yeah, they turned out really good. So this is the finished look for both of us. We might do a little shot like outside of our outfits or something, but I don't know yet. We'll see. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video though. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do so down below and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let us know your thoughts in the comments and thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.